To install Ubuntu 20.04 on VirtualBox, we'll start by creating a new VM, and I'll call it Ubuntu-20.04, and you will see that the type has changed to Linux, and the version is now Ubuntu 64-bit. I will then click Continue, and adjust the memory size to 2048 megabytes, which is 2 gigabytes. Click Continue. I'll leave this as it is. Click Create, and I'll leave the file type as it is and click Continue. And I will also leave the storage type as it is and click Continue. And I will leave the size as 10 gigabytes and click Create. Now we have this VM ready to be used for the installation of our Ubuntu. Now we want to insert the Ubuntu 24 ISO as a CD to that machine. So I'll click on Settings, as you've seen, and then I will go to Storage, and for that CD section I will click on it, and then I will click on the CD icon to the right and click on Choose a Disk File. I will now choose the Ubuntu 20 ISO that we downloaded and click Open. Now I will click OK, and you will see that it has been loaded as a CD to our machine. Let's now start the VM. For some reason it can still see the Windows ISO I used before, so I have to open up this drop-down menu and choose the Ubuntu ISO that I attached to this machine, and then click Start. I will fast forward some of the installation process as we go through this so that we can save some time. You get to the screen, click Install Ubuntu, and then leave the languages as they are and click Continue. And then I will uncheck the download updates while installing Ubuntu, because I want to show you how to do that from the terminal in the future. And then I will click Continue, and for the installation type, leave the chosen option, which is Erase Disk and Install Ubuntu, and click Install Now. It will ask you for confirmation. In here, you can safely click Continue. And for the time zone, leave it New York. You will need to identify a name. So you can put any name in here and choose a password to log in to this machine, and confirm that password as well, and then click Continue. It will take some time to do the installation. Again, I will fast forward this so that we can save some more time. Once the installation is finished, you will be prompted to restart the machine. So I'll go ahead and click Restart Now, and it will tell me that I need to eject the installation medium, which is the CD, and then press Enter. If I just click on the CD icon at the bottom, I will find that nothing is attached in here. So I will just go and verify that from VirtualBox, and you can see that the CD has been already ejected automatically for some reason. So I'll click Enter and let the VM restart. Now log in to the John account using the password I specified in the installation process. And then for this section, I will just skip most of it and choose No Do Not Send System Info here and click Next. Keep the location services off, and for here I'll click Done. After a few moments, you'll be prompted to update the software on this machine. Click Remind Me Later. Now, let's resize the desktop of that Ubuntu VM. We can do that by right-clicking on the desktop and choosing Display Settings. In the Resolution section, choose your preferred resolution, and then click Apply. And if you like the new resolution, just click Keep Changes and you're good.